So I should have showed you guys this before because I've already used this, but I'll check out the bike anyways. It was clean, but it was hazy. It had dirt and sand still under the fenders and all that. This stuff here, this muck off, the nanotechnology, I guess you just spray it on, no scrubbing needed, and then spray her down. And I want to show you it's just because I'm pretty impressed. I didn't rub or wipe nothing, and it's got right down to the nice gloss again, metallic, just by spraying it on there. Holy crap, even my clutch cover is still, I'm sure it's going to dry out hazy, but it's still pretty impressive. So it definitely cuts the sand and the dirt. Now to give it that new bike shine, we're going to go with this. So the bike's going to be displayed at BayMarine here in a few short days for their open house. I'm going to go down there and visit the folks. So we're just trying to get her cleaned up. But yeah, so we'll give this a try, give her a shine up, and then we'll let you see what she looks like. Well, she cut the grime really good. I'm really impressed. And I'm even more impressed with the silicone shine. And the reason I'm so impressed with it is because it doesn't leave any white marks. Where the SC1, I seemed anywhere I lather it on too thick, I end up having to go back over it and make sure I remove any of the white spots. But this seems to have like a fairly slight. Well, we missed a spot there. Look at that. See that? Like, watch this. You see, scratch, be gone. Be gone. Look at that. See? Gone. Isn't that wicked? Missed a spot right there, too. It's the dull plastics where I like the focus, right? Because it just looks like shit. But yeah, this works great. Super impressed with this product, boys. Silicone Shine by Muck Off. And we also missed these. Let's get a little bit down here for the logos. We need to get that an actual wipe. I forgot I missed that. I missed that fender. She's dirty as hell. Where's the dirty rag? Boys, from Dirty Life right there. Got us all hooked up. The boys are on their way back to Dodge. Getting out of Dodge, rather. But let's get them decals a little cleaner. There we go. Elka back to white. RJWC got some dirty stains from Dirty Life. We're losing. That's lasted a long time, you know that? But our torque locker decal looks like she's about to pop. We can do some more cleaning when we get to BayMarine on the weekend, boys, for the open house. That's what I'm doing here, shining her up to go put her on display and hopefully see some of you guys there. Good fun though. Great products, man. Really impressed with these. How do you keep your bike looking so brand new? You guys ask all the time. Well, this is the new way of doing it. I'm gonna keep with these products, I think. Tire shine good. Keep it where it belongs on the rubbers. tuned. Looks great. Oh, too funny. Yeah, cool. Come on, boys. It was classic. The new Can-Am Riker. Comes in a 600 and 900 cc model. What a neat little toy. Pretty nice looking, eh?
Yeah. That's what we came to see.
Did you?
Yeah.
I think I could ride one of these to work and back for sure. Oh yeah, so that's definitely more cruiser.
Yes.
For sure.
Yeah.
So you guys go out. Yeah. Yeah, you could actually do some long trips on this, eh? And still be comfortable. Exactly. Wow, hey, look at all the speakers.
I have a different type of screen,
folks. And as you boys can see, they're cleaning out the Gator Waiter kiosk pretty quick. Holy moly! But don't worry, if they don't have what you need, they can order it up for you. 15% off. Nice.
I was riding one of these last night in the backcountry. Oh man, it's amazing.
I can't believe what they do with lower like CC now, like the 600s. Guys are standing them up on the tail the whole time. So yeah, this thing's ridiculous looking. Is that's the tag on the May 20? Yeah, she's sure beautiful. She runs, she runs. I think we had to program a new key to get her running. But we got her done. Right on. Got a used unit here. 800 XXC. I can already see him as soon as he touches the throttle. It just lifts the front up. Eh? So he had a 6, he said. 650. It's snappy. As soon as you barely even touched it, and I can see the front end going like this, the suspension dive and lifting.
That's fine. The axis is pretty good too.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, man. I forget how heavy mine is. This thing is super light and super snappy. It's a little too fast for me. Take it down there. Yeah. Yeah, I've got the Rage on there. He looked pretty good on that thing. He looks good on that one. 1000 XMR, yeah. 18, pretty much. Got a lot of things put on it. I bought it here almost 1 year exactly. Yeah. And it's been awesome. It's had some issues. These guys made it right, so can't say enough good things, and that's why I'm standing here right now, just to support them, because they ain't paying me to be here. But I really enjoy being a part of the group here. Yeah, I really do. He likes it. Yeah, he likes it. Right on. You feel that weight though, right? Oh, it sounds good. That's fun.
Yeah, you can tell big
How are you, man? Good to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you too.
You're welcome. Right with you, my friend. Right on.